Hi, welcome to my dining room. Tradition is huge for me. The holidays are a great time to celebrate that. And I'd like to show you how I have my holiday table set up. The first thing I like to do is put a table runner down. And we'll get that centered through. Nice little centerpiece. Cute placemats that I just happened to get for small town Saturday shopping at one of our local establishments. And I have these chargers that I just love because I love gold, and this really sets the table off nice. My husband just loves all this frilly stuff. Like, which plate do I eat off of? I have these beautiful dishes that I found last year at Small Town Saturday shopping at another one of our local shops in Boston. And they match these placemats so nicely. And then just to kick it up a notch, I have these cute little words that I put on the plates. This says blessed, this says grateful, here's a gather, here's a thankful. Everybody gets their own little message when they sit down at the table. Now we need a little bit more in the center. Another one on the other side to balance it out. It's nice if it hangs over the edge a little bit too. Candles. Every table needs candles. I'm going to tuck them underneath. And these are battery operated candles, and they even have a remote. But no worry about fires here. See, this took maybe 5 minutes, and you're ready for company.